Okay, this is a pretty big milestone for myself. This is my new shop. It's a big upgrade from what I was working with before. And I just want to make a video kind of dedicated to giving a tour and showing everything that I've done so far and everything I plan on doing. But I'm just really excited for what the future holds. So let's get into it. So starting off from where you walk in at, the shop is 1,000 square feet. I got 8 220 sockets and 32 110 outlets that are dispersed from the left and the right side. I am still moving in, but I want to put my fabrication station right here. Anything welding and grinding, I want to just put it right here so it's all located centrally and I don't have to like walk across, go get something and then come right back. You know what I mean? So it'll just be nice to have something located in one spot. Walking down the line from the fabrication station, I got my main tool bench, nice little working desk for my laptop. I can do any miscellaneous stuff there. And then kind of a catch-all area for my power tools. It's just the main area for it. I'm trying to figure out how I can do it better. Maybe I'll make some shelving or something, but for right now, I'm really happy with that. And across from that is the GTO. That's where this thing's been for a little bit. But stay tuned because this thing is going to be running really, really soon, and I'm getting stoked about that. I'm using the last area back here to build kind of like a chill spot to hang out. You know, when you're tired of working on your car all freaking day and you just want to sit down for like 10, 20 minutes. That's what this area is going to be. But the couch is coming. It's going right there. You just don't sit crisscross applesauce on the rug. The overall vibe of this place is so freaking cool when you walk in, and I just constantly find myself spending way too much time here, which, I mean, it's kind of the purpose of it, man. It's a super cool enclosed space to just work on your junk and nobody can bother you. And the best part of all this is check out the view from the back door. Look how freaking killer this is. Turn 11 at Sonoma Raceway. Just get front row seats to it. Absolutely crazy. I was originally going to make this 2 videos, but showing you the shop was so short. And so was my experience in the BMW Winter Jam, so here's that. In typical fashion, I can't leave any car alone that I buy, so like a maniac, I chopped the whole rear of this thing off and prepped for a tube frame. And a little help from a donor car helped me get there. You can see right here is the tube frame. But with moving into the new shop and trying to get this thing ready to pass tech, I was super short on time, and frankly, I just didn't really care enough. Still determined though, this absolute hunk of junk passed tech, which meant I could hit the track.
Round 1, fight!
I'm sitting here laughing at this because I'm so confused in the moment. I'm like, I just fixed my clutch. It couldn't be that, but it was. And I wanted nothing more than to give this thing the Sam Witwicky treatment. The goal was always to sell this thing as a starter package to get into drifting super cheap. So while I was waiting, I listed it for $1,000, got tons of messages on it, and someone that was already at the track watching that had wanted to get into drifting came and take a look at this thing and then ended up buying it and taking it away that night. I'm more than pleased with that outcome, and I hope they have way better luck with it than I did.